HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm on my way to the shop to cut some hair. Today in this video, I did a comb over. It was nice. I hope you guys learned from it. Yeah, all the students out there, just keep going, man. Just keep grinding, all right? Just keep on grinding. Cameraman is tripping right now. Keep grinding, all right? Don't stop. Cameraman is tripping. Cameraman is really tripping right now. Cameraman, come on, why are you looking up? Where are you going? Wow, I do not know how to maneuver this thing. Wow, my shoes? Okay. Alright YouTube, I'm going to start this haircut off by combing down the hair, sectioning the top off. I'm going to be spraying some water on my client's top just to get everything to lay over. His hair is kind of wild right now, so I got to pin it up with my duck clips. Like I said, comb everything down. You don't want to start going in on these haircuts before you actually start brushing everything down. You want to make sure everything is neat before you start cutting in, because if you start before everything is neat, you're gonna have a sloppy work. It's like with anything you do. If you do it sloppy, if you start off sloppy, it's gonna end sloppy. So make sure you guys start off neat. So using my wall cordless seniors with the 1.5 guard, I'm going to be using my comb and taking off a lot of bulk. I'm going to use my comb to feed in the hair that I want to take off. I'm using my comb as basically a guideline to where I want to stop, so I can make sure I don't go too high on the blade. So now that I have the bulk clear, I can set in my first guideline, which is the bald line. I'm using my Slimline Pro Li to set it in, and I'm kind of setting it contour to my client's head. With doing these fades, you want to be unique when you do them. You don't want to, always put in basic fades. You want to have that unique thing about your haircuts to where people say, you know what, that's a 360 Jeezy cut. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just putting a different style to my client's look. Using my Endis cordless BGRCs with the 5/0 blade, I'm just going to take off the rest of the bulk. With my Bronze Series 9 shavers, I'm gonna create another transition. This makes it razor bald at the very bottom. Make sure you don't go too far up on that line, because it will make a harsh guideline. So you want to stay about, like say, a ½ inch below. with the lever open, setting in your guideline, you want to go up an inch. Now, I started doing something different as I start at the corner. I usually kind of gradually go up to that inch just to keep, you know, that curved C-cup dark. Now with the one guard, same thing. You're going up an inch, but right at the C-cup, I'm kind of just gradually going up to that inch. So that's what I'm doing on this cut, and it's gonna come out looking pretty clean. So with the 1.5 guard open, I'm going to use my comb and I'm going to feed the hair through. Once again, I'm creating another guideline going up about an inch, keeping it consistent all the way around. My one guard open, I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 1.5 just to make sure everything transitions smoothly. Dropping the lever on the one guard, I'm flicking out, just softening up that middle line. So with the half guard on closed and just notching it back just a little bit in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. So right here, I seen some areas that I need to work on. So I put on my one guard closed, and I'm just flicking out the areas. This is just detail along the way. with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Be mindful of the fact that you're gonna have to open and adjust that lever as you go up into that lever open. Right now I'm just, using clipper over comb technique just to get that shape. Right here, I'm going to saturate my client's hair with water. I'm going to speed this part up. My client wants at least like 2 inches off the top. He was trying to grow his hair out and get braids on top, so he went back to the comb over. So I'm just trying to give him that long length comb over look that he used to have.
Come on, guys, it isn't that bad.
I didn't think it was like that. Dang.
For the land of the free.
What she sing is that?
YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Alright, if you guys want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers!